me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty be.
Alright, y'all, I just left out of the nail shop, and this is what my nails look like. Real cute.
Hey, 4L steps, ain't stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa.
Right now. But these are my nails. They're real cute. I really like these. Like, this is probably the best set I ever got at this nail shop. Let me show you. Get into it. Coughing, baby. So, I already had in my head that I was focused. I already had in my head that I wanted some rhinestones on my fingers whenever I get my nails did. So I did order some little cute little rhinestones to go on my nails off Amazon with the glue. So yeah, I didn't definitely want to pay that in the nail shop, but you know, nail shops really taxing. So I just went and bought, and plus, like, sometimes they don't even have the little diamonds or crystals that you want. So I'm finna do it myself. Let's go.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. If bitch, I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. I'm on that dope for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I ain't no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. I'm in my fucking bag. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This man left come with a 32 man for real. Yeah, thinking that nigga keep we be too shit together. And I show is rockin' hoodies and it's damn hot as weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know how that's.
What's up, vlog? Today it is April the 10th, and today I'm finna go get my hair did, because guess what? Your girl's going on Vegas, going to Vegas, and then my hair did. So today's April the 5th, no, April the 10th, and my hair appointment is in 1 hour. So yeah, I already got my hair blow dried, and it was already flat iron. I just had to wash the front part of my head because I did like some edges or whatever for work, and you know, my hair is already clean, you know, but the front part just needed to be washed or whatever. So anyway, I got my bundles. She basically gonna be doing a sew-in. I want her to do a side part sew-in. I don't know if I want it on the right or the left side part. I don't know yet. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna get a simple little sew-in, cute little sew-in. I got a 28-inch bundles, period. And they already look like they finna go down my back. Yeah, let's talk about these bundles. These bundles work too hot. Don't mind me, I look raggedy, but baby, yeah, I'm finna transition on you. But yeah, let me show you the bundles. I got them in this little bag, my little wig bag, because you know, these are the bundles. I put in a little twist or whatever. These are the bundles. I got 4 bundles. 4 bundles. That should be enough. Hopefully they're enough hair for me, you know, or whatever. But yeah, tell me to bring thread and needles, so I'm about to bring that with me. I don't know if I'm going to be recording or not. I just feel like I'm not gonna be recording all in her house. You know, people want that privacy, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of clips. I'm gonna try. Or if I don't give y'all no clips, I'm gonna give y'all what it looks like after, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all guys when I go to get my head did.
Time story. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm here, gonna get my hair did. I'll talk to you guys when I get done. Alright, y'all, I'm I'm back home. It's been some hours. It's like 47 now. And this is what my hair looks like. I had to fix it up. I had to flatten my leaf out. I had to flatten the bundles. I had to basically do everything basically. She just basically sewn my tracks in basically for me. Like braided it down and sewn in my tracks. And I basically did the flatten, used my silk stuff to get it together, my edge control, you know. So yeah, so I got my hair done. It looks cute. Got my nails did cute. I need to do my lashes, but I'm debating if I should do it tomorrow or today, cause I'm gonna be up. I stay up all night long. Put my hair up in a pony. Alright, I think I'm gonna do my lashes. So I'm gonna be bored all night and I'm gonna need to do something productive while I'm off, so I don't cram everything in one setting. I'm off today so I can do my lashes, and tomorrow I can clean up and get shit packed up. So yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not gonna stay on the camera for long to show y'all I'm doing my lashes actually, but I'm gonna show y'all little clips or whatever. You know. Alright. I'm gonna come back whenever I get my face washed. Like I like to start on my face is already washed, but like I like to clean it because I've been out and I don't know what kind of oils are on my face and lashes. I like to clean, deep clean my lashes and all that before I do this, because I don't want nothing to get in my eye. Plus, I want it to be on a clean surface. Got some new glue, and I got some lashes. These are the lashes I use. If y'all was wondering, these are the trios, and these are the individual ones, clusters. These are the clusters, and these are the trio clusters. They're already made. I ain't gotta do too much. Plop them on like strips. And then this is the glue, the envy glue. This is some good glue. This glue lasts. Like if you get it on the lash line good, like you get it on your lashes good, it's going to last a pretty while, like 3 months. I mean, not 3 months, 3 weeks. Definitely do it yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna come back on the camera.
Bless up. Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't put me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. I don't even pay no dirty clothes, I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walked out and blew some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crack some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. I say only be with diamonds. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time.
Alright y'all, so I'm doing one lash. This is how much lashes I used. Yeah, so I used all those lashes and like 2 of these to get this look. I double stacked them, so I did 1 layer medium, then short, then I added another layer, so medium to short, and then in the creases right here, I use these. So yeah, these are double stacked to give that, you know, like you got your extensions did, you know, because the one layer kind of looks like strips to me, but the two gives you a good, you know, a simple lash extension look. You know, if you got lash extensions, you will know what they look like. So I'm gonna get the other eye done because I look crazy right now, and yeah, I'm gonna come back on the camera when I got the other eye done. All right, y'all, it is 4:28 in the morning, and I'm just now getting done with my lashes. So yeah, I'ma tell y'all guys when I do something else. These are my lashes.
Said we can't smoke backstage, and I told them take time when you're talking to the headline. Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. This is a public service announcement. I'm just here to let you know that the boys are back in town. And this will never stop, because cream always rises to the top.